What's going on, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be installing some AC in my 77 Pontiac Booneville. And man, down here in Mississippi, it is hot, man. So I'm not finna be riding around in no nice car and cannot blow no cold AC. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car up, cut the AC on, and begin charging. All right, so here I'm going. I'm in the car. Start it up. Cut the AC on max. Y'all see I got it on. So now we're finna install the freon. On the AC, you got two sides. You got a high pressure side, which is right here, and a low pressure. And you can see you got a little leak right here as well. So I'm gonna install my line on my low pressure side. Pull my line on right here. Alright. Then get your can of freon and install it on your line. Once you got your freon on your line and your AC on, just push down on the freon and I'll shake the bottle. As you can see, it's taking. Change tunes of the car and the bottle also becomes cold, y'all. Shake the bottle while I'm doing it. That's how you install freon. Bottle gonna be cold.